Welcome to the Narwal's world. Let me introduce the first robot in the world that can clean itself. It's not only a traditional mopping and vacuuming mop robot, but it can clean itself. Here, let me show you how it works. Firstly, let's look at this robot, and this is the front side of it. And from here, you can see there is a laser technology which can scan your room and make navigations by itself. And on this side, we can see there is clip sensor, which means it can know where he cannot go anymore, and otherwise he will drop off. And also we can see this, like this side. You can see there are two wheels here, and for this part is for the moppings. Here's how we install the mops here, and there are two mops. So it's so easy, and this like takes one second to do that. And also on the front side, when we open it, we can see there is a dust box where we can collect the dirt and the dust. So you can just put it here, and when it's full, you can just pull it up and open it to drop it. Yes. And also, except for the mopping module, we also have this vacuuming module, and this is the port for vacuuming. And there are two side brushes for the details, small places where you cannot find it by yourself. Yes, and that's basically what the robot's part. From now on, we can introduce you some information about this robot. Firstly, the name is Narwal T10, and its weight is 3.6 kilogram. And we use laser and slam for navigation, and we also have the app control, which means you can control it on your app, and also you can use the voice prompt. For the battery, it can work for 3 hours, like for the 3 hours cleaning for one time. And the suction power is 1800 Pa. And the water tank is 5 liters for each one, and we have 2 in the station. Let's come to Narwal's home. Like, this is the robot's home, and it is called the base station. So we can see from the bottom there is like a door for it, so it can goes into his home by his own, like it's directly go inside. And when we look it through, there is an open. We can open it from here, so that we can see there are 2 big tanks here. What are they? So this one is for clear water. We can refill the clear water inside to clean the mop by itself. It's like the water will goes down through the pipe and to the bottom to the washboard, which is in the bottom, and it will help the robot to clean itself by spinning. And after cleaning, the dirty water will just come to this side, which is the dirty water tank, and you can just pull it up and open the buckle and to drop the dirty water. And also you can see there's a screen in the middle where you can see what program is he doing right now. And on the 2 sides of this screen, there is a start and pause button, which you can press it for start, or you want it to just stop for a second. And on the other side, there is a home button where you can press it to get your robot to mapping your house and to navigation and to reset. That's how it looks. And guys, I'm so excited to let you know that we have won the golden prize of this electronic industry conference in 2019. And we have won over $1 million on Kickstarters, thanks to all of our backers. And I'm happy to tell you that we will be ready to ship our product to you in the end of this year, like during November to December, and we hope that you can get that as soon as possible. And for the U.S. customers, you can still support and keep supporting us on Indiegogo, and where you can directly contact with us. Yes, thank you.